Y'all, today is a very, very exciting day, and I'm gonna tell you why. Today, we are doing our first harvest on the Set Apart Gardens homestead farm, whatever. Oh my God, this is definitely a farm. We got all these different animals, but oh my gosh. Let's do it. Before we do a harvest, let me show you the seeds that I planted and give you a update. I'm just gonna give you an update on what I seeded in its progress, because as you can see, we'll be here all day if we're talking about everything that I have. All right, so what's this? This is jalapenos. They trying to come on up. Got a couple things trying to come up. This is the Noble and Viraflay spinach, something trying to come on up as well. And then all the way in the cut, I have a bunch of kale, but the only thing that's looking like it's trying to come up is this red kale. Listen, I'll take it. These are my tomatoes, purple super steak, heirloom rainbow, and red cherry. Red cherry here, heirloom, purple super steak. Hey, look at them. And then let me see what this is. This is heirloom rainbow as well, trying to come on up. Listen, what's this? These are cucumbers. Oh my gosh, so excited. Listen, this is like, I'm most proud about this. Georgia collards, okay? Look at them. I'm lit. We got a little baby. Oh my gosh. Look, if I even lean over this, you can't even see this little baby trying to be great. Let me see what this baby is. It's out of the all lettuce blend. This is what I got. I'm not gonna say anything other than please grow, because like for real, seriously, nothing's going on in this lettuce. Oh man, I need to get my life with how these labels are. Oh, these are strawberries, blueberries, and grapes, so this might take a little while. Grand Rapids, I have no idea what that is, but it's not doing much. Then this is green lettuce, not doing much, need to be watered. My zucchini is trying to be great over here, one zucchini. And I think that's the end of the road as far as my seedlings go. We did get some sweet potato starts, and then these are see if I can open it with this one hand and the wind blowing. This is what is it? It's squash, but spaghetti squash starts. I actually opened a spaghetti and these were in there, and I said I'm about to save them and plant them. So I mean, from store-bought spaghetti squash that I let stay in the pantry too long. So that's the progress. I'm super proud of it. I think what I'm gonna do is go ahead and water the nursery container garden situation. Then I'm gonna go ahead and start harvesting. I'm super excited, and yeah, let's do that. Hey DJ, go get us to the goats. Here. Alright, y'all. So, what we're about to do is harvest some turnips and potatoes. Mainly because we've had them in since maybe December. And something has gotten to them. I've tried to sprinkle neem powder on them, spray vinegar and water on them, and they are still diseased at the top. So I'm hoping to save them from rotting. So yeah, let's do this thing. Okay, Kamara. Kind of dig around because I plan on reusing this pot.
Can we dig up potatoes? Can we dig up the potatoes? And I'll get my bucket.
Don't know what we're about to find in here.
One potato.
Alright, this is like a root, so this is nothing. Okay, so basically we dig around the stems. Yeah, go ahead, Mama. Uh-oh, never mind. No, let's just do it with our hands. Let's do it with our hands. Let's see what we getting.
Yeah.
Wait, never mind. Alright, here. Okay, we got
a potato? Give me a potato.
Yeah, but it's no good. Wait a minute.
Give me one.
Wait a minute. It's no good, baby.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, we got this potato.
Okay, now mine. Potato.
Okay. Got that one.
I found these something.
Okay.
I gave you something. Potato. Give me sand. The sand. Hey.
Wait. Okay.
Give me the sand. Oh. Sand. I almost.
Wow, these are super duper small. The ones that are like this small, I'm gonna put them back in there. Like I might put these, I'm gonna put the two small ones back in there and just harvest the ones that's a decent size. And I think I'm gonna just as I'm pulling this up, I'm thinking that I would rather move it to a different location. Okay. Yeah, I kind of don't even have to really dig this whole thing up to see that it's not ready. But as I said, like this one looks better than the other ones. This one looks better than the other ones. One of the concerns is that I'm dealing with disease, right? Okay, hold on, big girl.
Potato!
But don't get me wrong, we got some. But
what's it?
hold on, big girl.
Yeah.
Hey, big girl.
Can we have a strawberry?
This is not strawberries, Mama. Like I would like this to be one big section instead of 5 buckets.
Mom.
Another one.
Mom.
Okay, so that's pretty cool.
Mom.
I got a harvest. Not as big of a harvest as I was wanting, but promising roots. To keep on harvesting from this one, well, these couple of different buckets that I'm thinking about making into a bed or something, just doing something. Okay, so this used to have potatoes in it. No, I think that had the turnips in it. So it's free now. Because I literally only, y'all, out of this whole bucket, I had about 6 baby turnips that I went ahead and transplanted into here. I do need to top it off with some more soil, but I don't have any right now. But nevertheless, I'm thinking about putting 3 baby cabbage slips up in here. I mean, they're a little bit bigger than slips. They're full-grown plants at this point. And hoping for the best, because I don't have any big containers, and I ain't gonna lie, I am stingy with soil. Like, I try to plant conservatively when it comes to the size of the pot. Like, I want it to be just big enough and not have huge, gallon containers full of soil. That stuff is expensive. So I'm hoping that 3 is not packing it in there too bad. Probably one right here. I don't know. One right here, and one kind of in the middle. And then I'm gonna plant the other one in one of these beds that do have a few potatoes in them, but again, still hoping for the best, because cabbage grows up and not down. I'm hoping that it'll be fine. I don't have any dirt right now, and I need to, or any soil, and I need to up pot them, and I'm in for a time crunch. Like, I get out here probably like 3 times a week, so I'm just trying to do as much as I can in one day. Y'all let me know what y'all think about that. Is that a terrible idea? I don't know. I've never gotten this far with cabbage, but I have a couple of plants, so I'm not, too hell-bent on it. Even though, like, look at this one. Like this one, I'm gonna have to up pot that one too, because that's got like 6 heads in it. You know what I'm saying? So y'all let me know what you think. But let me up pot. Okay, what we working with? That's also got potatoes around the perimeter and in between there. I'm gonna put this one in here. Let me show you. And this one here in the center. Real quick. Okay, I did that because I was gonna put some sweet potato slips in there, because I showed y'all my sweet potato slips, but I'm gonna just have to go get some more soil, and I'm still just trying to figure out what I want to do, because low-key, high-key, I'm thinking about doing it in ground. You're done. Stop doing that. Let me show you what I'm saying. So, and then we'll go in and do these potatoes real quick. So I have these like beds that my husband built out already. Just the framing. And just because, you know, potatoes are such a long-term crop to me. Like I said, I planted those in like December. Here are the frames. So I'm thinking I'm gonna till in here and put my potatoes in here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that just because the turnaround is a little bit longer and I need the other containers for other things. And I got these grow bags. Oh, I need to pick these up. That I know can fit a cabbage in there, at minimum. But I'm just thinking because, and you know what I'm also thinking? I'm thinking about doing it right the first time. And so what that means to me is seeding in the same pot. Well, no, only up potting once. Like with those cabbages, I think that's gonna be the third time they've been up potted. And I mean, I'm new. This is my very first time growing cabbages. So, look, I keep saying cabbages. I think plural is cabbage as well. Y'all, I'm supposed to know this. I'm a writer. Cabbage. So anyway, let me get out my head. Dump my taters in the sink. Ranch them off. Baby. My family is from Ashburn, Georgia, the country. Okay, we're gonna ranch these bad boys off. And we're gonna see y'all in a minute. Ranched and ready. All right, first harvest of 2023 and the first harvest on this property is done, and I'm satisfied. I don't think I expected more than that, but I know I'll get more than that because I replanted the slips and the tiny potatoes. When I think about the fact that I bought store potatoes, I allowed the thumbs to grow on them. I threw them in 3 to 4 different bins with soil, blood meal, and fish fertilizer. I allowed the rain to water them, and I watered them every 3 to 4 days. I did slack off for a good 2 weeks where my husband probably watered them once or twice during that time. And this is what I got over the span of 90 days. Not so bad. That was a good summation, wasn't it? That was a good little. So I hope this, you know, encourages you to go grow something. You know, I wanted my babies to participate in the harvest, but y'all seen a little bit of how that started. It was a mess. But anyway, remember, if you give them the power to feed you, you give them the power to starve you. We out.
Bombs over Baghdad really ain't that bad. Little wiretap, yes, yes. Little dodge in the IRS. Little haven from the tax man.